Marko and his sworn brother Miloš Obilić, somewhere on Mount Miroč. They say whoever dares to sing here will not be spared by the fairy Ravijojla. Weary, Marko said,
"Sing, my brother, let the time pass faster."
I dare not, brother. The fairy Ravijojla has warned, whoever sings in her forest will suffer dearly.
Sing, brother, as long as I live, no fairy can harm you.
And then Milos began to sing. His voice thundered through the mountain, the birds fell silent, and the forest echoed. The fairy Ravijojla heard it. Furious, she drew her bow and loosed a golden arrow. The arrow struck Milos in the shoulder. He pulled it out, blood poured, and the hero fell from his horse. Marko cried out,
"Fairy, if you do not heal him at once, you will die by my hand."
Enchanted by him and afraid, the fairy descended. "Do not be angry, Marko. Take this herb. It heals all wounds." The wound healed, and Obilic rode again. From then on, Ravijojla was Marko's protector, and they whisper still, "Sing on Miroč, and the fairy may hear you."